Me and Artie are off-roading, aren't we?
Do you think there's grasshoppers in there?
This is my favourite view every single morning. The boys have got their breakfast and little cups of tea. Oh, with their Lego mugs from Christmas.
Can you give it to me?
Ready for your scooter?
You, Mummy and Dad, you're the monsters, okay?
Okay.
Your name's Figure. No, you can be perfect. You can be away forever.
Just spotted that some daffodils are coming up in the grass. It's nearly spring. The cold is nearly done. If you don't want to stop, do you not want to stop, girl? Hey? I don't care about the fishes and the ducks. Good girl. Hey? Don't throw it at the bird. Get him a little bit.
But you got it. What was it? Just be careful near the edges.
A whole thing of daffodils.
I think he's not moving. He's just too scared to go in the forest.
Oh, do you think? What's he scared of?
Scared if there's like gonna be a little bear.
A little bear! And what do bears eat?
Meat. But they can't eat people.
Artie just found a little animal.
I don't think it's an animal.
Well, it's probably a little animal, darling.
Okay, there's one little animal that can fit in that hole.
A mouse, a shrew.
Mouses don't come out in wildlife, they only go in mouses to get the tea.
That's nonsense.
To make them milk.
There's lots of wild mice.
To make them, they need some milk. Right, so I can.
Me and Artie are off-roading, aren't we? While Daddy and Woody take the path. You see them? There they are. They're there. They're up there. But me and Artie are taking a much muddier path. Look at all that mud. Evie doesn't mind though.
When we get home.
Sorry?
When we play on the sofa when we get home.
You can play that when you get home. Of course you can, darling. Once you've had your fresh air.
I just put some posters for the doors, okay, Mum?
Okie doke. Look what we just found, a little like pond. I don't know what you'd call it because it's just off of the sea.
This should be the key place where you have to get to the next one, so I can't go over there now.
No? We'll come round here. Come round this way, Artie. Good exploring. I love seeing patches where the animals have been. And obviously made the reeds go over. That's
Look right there.
it's a log.
What? It looks so.
Wait and see if we can see any movement in the water. We're right up at the bank.
Come on.
What do you reckon's in there? And now they're off-roading with us. Yay!
Mama,
Yes, darling.
do you think there's grasshoppers in there?
Oh, maybe.
Maybe. Or maybe in there.
Yeah.
Be careful. Oh, there's a little boat there.
Where's Artie?
Stop it.
£1 million for anyone who could spot Artie. He's in full camouflage. Can you see him, Woody? Can you see Artie?
How many pounds is this toy for?
Oh, this very cute toy. Priceless, he's mine. We've got an old abandoned boat the other side. And then, sorry?
There's a heron sat on that pipe.
Oh, in enough that you can see.
It's a map.
There's a heron. Oh. I'm also holding Evie.
Haha, stinky puddles.
There it is. There's a heron on the pipe. Right, Artie's got a game for us. What shall we play, Artie?
Roblox toys.
Okay, and how are we going to play? Can you tell us how to play?
So there's gonna be one person that's gonna be the person that's gonna chase you. And to get rid of some of them, you have to hide in a locker like ambush and
2,000 years later.
rush. Rush will only go through one time, but you will be blind for 10 seconds. Because
Look it down. Come on.
Go on, Dad. Double scooter it.
Come on with it. Give me a massive. Quick, come on.
We found a giant puddle. Is that good?
Thank you, Mum.
Thank you. What for?
For that, because I want you to make a video when I'm in a puddle.
You wanted a video of you in a puddle?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that. There's a shell on the path. Look what we've just found. Another one. Show me it, Artie.
It doesn't hear. I can't hear anything.
Can't hear the sea. Can you show the camera?
Here it is. There's 2 pieces. I'm definitely doing this one there.
Beautiful.
I can hear it.
Can you see the other one that Daddy found? Look right here, Woody. One for you. Can you show the camera? What are you trying to do, Woods?
Wait, there's another bit over here.
What?
I think he's listening for the ocean.
Another 2 bits over here.
Hey.
Another 3 bits. One.
Wow. Oh, Woody, don't drop them.
There's loads.
How do I?
Tide must have come in, or something's been picking them up and eating them.
Well, that's true. A bird could have grabbed them and...
In the mud.
Or an otter.
Yeah. We saw signs of otters last year, didn't we, here?
Had otters last year, yeah. There was definitely otters here.
Oh my God! I know how to get this out of the mud.
Found one in the mud.
And then in the mud again. I know.
Nice easy way to get home. Come see.
Do I have to stay here?
Okay, so we are back from our walk, and I thought it might be cool for us to get a little tub of warm water and just rinse off these shells and see what colours they are. Are you going to add them to your box, or do you think your rock collection outside? Where do you think?
My rock collection outside.
Yeah, we're going to leave them in there. Okay, right, so rub all the mud off and sand off for me. We think that these were probably the otters that live at that nature reserve, having a little tasty snack and just dumping their rubbish all over the path. Look at that, eh? Look at that, Artie.
I'll try and do this one.
Yeah. So that one's on the inside. It's really beautiful. It's quite shimmery. Very nice. Ooh, that one's pretty.
It has like a pattern. Look.
Yeah.
Brown, no brown, brown, no brown, brown, no brown. This one is cool. It's like a mountain.
Wow. Got like a little extra bit. And then, oh wow, it's the mechanism. I don't know if you call it a mechanism, but I call it a mechanism.
What?
Still works a little bit. Where originally there would have been a whole other piece there and it was shut, and then inside is the tasty bit for an otter.
Jimmy up.
We try not to take too much home. Obviously we want to keep things the way that they're supposed to be, but Artie really likes collecting stuff, so we collect a couple of things and then leave the majority there, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, thank you for watching this video. We hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel, where we're going to do lots more nature and outdoorsy wild things this year. 2023 is going to be awesome.